Hey, it's Paul. So, we all deal with a certain amount of stress. It's just kind of part of living. But there are times when it feels really overwhelming for us. It can be around things like a relationship that we're in that isn't going quite the way we hoped, and we wind up going our separate ways. Or issues at work and dealing with a boss that's really a pain in the ass. Getting a bad report from your doctor, your last checkup, or financial issues where you're stressing out about how you're going to pay your rent. There's just a lot of things that we can feel overwhelmed about, and it can be really helpful to know how to manage that stress in a way where you're not stuffing your face with food or drinking lots of wine to compensate for the stress that you're dealing with. And that's why I like to teach people how to use EFT, because it's a natural way to regulate your nervous system and calm yourself down so that you can feel more grounded and feel more present. I'm offering a free workshop on Sunday at 1 p.m. Pacific, teaching people how to use basic EFT to do just that. And if you feel like you could benefit from learning a technique to help manage your stress better, I'd like to encourage you to please join me this Sunday at 1 p.m. Pacific. It's a free workshop, and all you have to do is click on the link to register for free. So I hope to see you then. In the meantime, hope you're doing well.